To let you know, you heard that first. V7 is being replaced with a new model. So let's start off with this little baby. This turned up yesterday. I mean, ordered it. It came within 2 days. And obviously this is a really good quality product. It's the difference between these two, that's from Alfred's, and this is definitely a better quality one altogether. And that's a Halfords one, which is like cheap and cheerful, which is okay. It's no problem, but that still cost, I believe it was around about 30 quid, but it did come with the end bits. It didn't come with this piece, but it did come work with a Karcher, and also it came with the little spray nozzles. Now this is how it turned up in the bag. I've already contacted them, but the only problem was, and I don't mind telling you, it was a bot. And you know what bots do. They don't really do what they're supposed to do. But even so, I left the information on there, and it said that they would contact me yesterday by phone call at around about 4 o'clock. My intention now is, whilst we're doing this now, let's see what their customer service is like, because I left them a message yesterday, and obviously from my point of view, I would have thought they'd have come back by now, and it's in the morning. But let's have a look and see. So we're going through to the technical department now. It's quite interesting, isn't it? I just love this sort of thing. It's unbelievable sometimes. You think to yourself, oh no, you know, and especially when you're making a video and you think to yourself, all you do is want to make the video and then find out that the video is like, you've had to pause the video for like 10-20 minutes because there's something gone wrong with something. Hi. I'll start off with the purchase I made yesterday. It's the Tuf gun. It doesn't show you anything what you're supposed to set up. I'm Joe Hunt in the street, okay, and I'm making a YouTube video, so I'm looking at it from an unprofessional view of this. And I've bought the gun. It's got nothing to stick on the bottom, and there's nothing to actually physically connect it to a V7.
Oh, right, okay.
And I tried doing the bot thing, and the bot thing just took me around the houses, and then I just left a message saying, well, and then it said, oh, we'll contact you, and do you have a preferred time? And I said 4 o'clock. I know you knock off at 4:30, but no one bothered to phone back, so I'm assuming that just bot didn't work out very well.
Right, okay, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, okay. So are you okay to send me a couple of pictures of what you do and don't have in terms of the trigger that you've got and the couplings that you're missing to attach it to your hose, etc.? You say it's a V7 you've got?
Yeah, a V7, and obviously I want the pipes to fit as well, because obviously those pipes are different. Now I've got one to work with my K7. This is a Karcher version, and that comes with different parts again. And I bought a Halfords gun, and obviously that came with different connectors. I think the one on here, if I vaguely remember, on the Karcher version is the standard one that comes with the little bits off the end, and yet the V version, it's only the end bit, which is, you could put the caps on. The bits between are all different sizes. It got me so confused. I thought, I'm making a YouTube video here and it's confusing me utterly. And I thought, hey, I'm looking from a Joe Hunt's perspective here. Joe Hunt decides he wants to upgrade from the standard, because with the V7, and I haven't used it yet. There's another story with this I'll get to. With the V7, you can't stick it under the wheel arches, see, because it's too long. You need to have something hand sized to get under those wheel arches to get all the rubbish out. And hence why most people want a little one. It's okay for Joe Hunt if they want to just blast the dirt off. Anyway, going from that to the other problem I got, the pipe split and it's down to the metal. And that did that whilst I was making a video. And also that little handle, I mean, you know what I'm going to say. It's ropey, isn't it?
Yeah, I know what you mean. I mean, I will say that we're going through some big changes with the V7 at the moment. We're going to be launching a new one with like better high quality hose and stuff on it.
Yeah, maybe you should have sent that to me before I do the video. Instead of sending me the old stock, because it's funny, because whilst I was doing a video yesterday, it went live, obviously in the video, I showed them that the bloody pipe come to pieces. The Karcher K7 now looks flaming horrible. And I prefer the older model. And I looked at it and thought, I wouldn't be buying that. You know, I like something that looks like it should be doing the job instead of like a colourful post box.
Right, that's fair enough. So what would be good if you can put a couple of pictures and whatnot into an email to me, as well as that sort of feedback you've just gave.
Yeah.
And then we'll look at sort of what we can do to help you out a little bit there in terms of alternative parts and stuff. I do know, like, we sell some detailing guns, as we call them, which go with the V7, where it is just like...
Yeah. Don't forget don't forget the V7, you've sent it out to me free for the videos.
Yeah, so we did send it to you as an influencer, didn't we?
Yeah, so, and influencing the bloody pipe.
Yeah, there was some mix-up there. I did ask them if you're an influencer or not, but they weren't too sure. But yeah,
yeah, and hence why I wanted the gun. I actually purchased this thing, and I thought, how come if I'm Joe Hunt on the street, I'm ordering this? Where's all the bits to go with it? I spent an hour going through everything, and I could not find anything that goes with this. And then it says on the side of this, it gives you an impression, and this turned up in just the bag, and on the side here it says refer to the leaflet. And information. What information? There's nothing on it. There's nothing with it. So it's just, I can see from as a business commercial person who does this stuff every day of the week, he just turn around and pick it up and off he goes. But I am only a simple country baker that does YouTube. I'm only saying it lightly because in the world of my cars, they probably turned around and said, yeah, I think you're a little bit more into cars and cleaning than what you let on to be.
Always best, yeah. Right. Okay, cool, that's fine. Can I just give you an email address and you shoot over some details and stuff to me?
Yeah. All right, and cheers, thanks very much. Cheers.
Cheers,
bye, bye. And there you go. How about that then? Technical support's going to look at this. Going to sort all this out. Happy days. And the pipe. And just to let you know, you heard that first. V7 is being replaced with a new model. Why did they send me the old one? I sometimes wonder, but there again, it's always the same really, you know. So sometimes we don't know what to expect. But what's great to know, you've got a technical support with these guys and you get hold of them. But don't ignore the bots. Go straight to the telephone. Phone them up. Bot is crap. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. So, we'll wait patiently. Laters!